Align Module 5, Using the Map. This tutorial explains how to manage your map in the CEDS Align tool. This means you have already created a map. If you need assistance creating a user account or a map, please view Getting Started with the Tools or Align Module 1, Creating a Map in the Align tool. To begin, log in to the CEDS website and choose Tools Align from the green menu bar at the top. You are taken to the Align main menu. To see a list of maps you have created or to which you are assigned, click Manage Maps on the left-hand side of the page under Build. Select the name of the map to begin working on it. This tutorial will discuss the Using the Map option in the green map menu. Align Modules 2 to 4.2 discuss the functions available under Map Administration and Data Elements. View Reports, Topic 1. This topic will cover how to view your map as if it is a shared map. To view reports, select Using the Map in the green menu. Then select View Reports. This feature does not change the release status of your map. Rather, by selecting this feature, you will be redirected to the map-based report options, where you can run reports on your map. For a description of each report, please view Align Module 6. Share Map with Some Users, Topic 2. This topic will cover how to share a map with some users. When you have completed the alignment to CEDS for your map, and you have changed your map status to complete, you can share your map. Sharing a map with some users allows you to make your map available to certain individuals of your choosing, so that they can run reports on your map, and you can compare data. To share a map with some users, select Using the Map in the green menu. Select Share Map, then select Share Map with Some Users. When you select this option, a dialog box appears asking you to confirm that you are authorized to share the map. When you select Share, a dialog box will display confirming that your map will be reviewed by a CEDS administrator prior to sharing. The CEDS administrator will subsequently share the map or contact you regarding any issues preventing sharing. After you have selected OK on the dialog box, the Share Map with Some Users page will open. This is where you select the users that you want to share your map with. You can share your map with several users at a time from this page. To add a user, enter the email address of the user into the Add User field and select the green search bar. If the email you entered belongs to a registered CEDS user, their name and email address will display in the purple bar below the search field. If the email address you selected does not belong to a registered user, a dialog box will display, giving you the option of inviting the person to join CEDS. Select OK to send an invitation to the user, or select Cancel to search for others. Select the checkbox to the left of the user's name. Then select the Add button on the right side of the page. The user's name now appears in the purple dialog box. When you have added the first person, the release status of your map will change to Submitted for Review. When the CEDS administrator has approved the map, the release status will change to Shared with Some Users. To stop sharing the map with a particular user, select the red X in the table in the Remove column, and select OK in the dialog box that appears. When all users have been removed, the map is no longer shared with anyone, and the release status will change to Not Shared. Share Map with All, Topic 3. This topic will cover how to share your map so that it is available to everyone, including those with logins to CEDS and those without. When you have completed the alignment to CEDS for your map, and you have changed your map status to Complete, you can share your map. Until your map is shared, only map administrators, authorized users, restricted users, or those whom you have shared your map with individually can see your map and its information. When your map is shared with all, your peers and others whom you might be interested in comparing data with will be able to view your map. In the green menu under Using the Map, you will see Share, then Share Map with All. When you select Share Map with All, two dialog boxes will appear. One asking you to agree that you are authorized to share this map, and another requesting confirmation that you want to share the map. When you click OK, your map will be reviewed by a CEDS administrator prior to sharing. The CEDS administrator will subsequently share the map or contact you regarding any issues preventing publication. If you want to retract the request to share your map before it has been reviewed by the CEDS administrator, you can select Retract Request to share with all users. Once your map has been shared, it will appear in the Use section of the Align tool and will be available for you and other users. If, at any time, you need to stop sharing your map, go to the Manage Map screen, select your map, select Using the map from the green menu, and click Stop Sharing. Apply MyConnect. Topic 4. MyConnect is a tool in the CEDS tool suite that allows you to apply a map that has been shared with all to a connection that has been shared with all. This topic will explore how to apply MyConnect while still in your Align map. To apply MyConnect from your Align map, select Using the map in the green menu on the left, and then select Apply MyConnect. If you have not shared your map with all, a pop-up box will appear explaining that this feature is only available for shared maps with all. If you have shared your map with all, a pop-up box will appear where you choose categories to narrow your search for a connection. Follow the selection prompts to see a list of possible connections. By clicking on the name of a connection, you can view the connection and see the MyConnect results. When the connection appears, under Data Elements, your mapped elements will be side by side with the relevant CEDS elements for that connection. This completes Align Module 5, Using the Map. For information on how to create a map, manage your maps, align elements to CEDS, or create reports, please view the other Align tutorials available on the CEDS website.